Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create AI-generated images using your face. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in with your Google account. It's a simple process, so let's get started. Once you're on the login page, just click to proceed with the login process. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the Tools main page. Here, you'll see that you have 3 credits available to use. To begin, upload an image of yourself. Then select your gender and choose the image size. Personally, I prefer the square size. You also have the option to select the number of images you want to generate. For this demonstration, I'll choose just one image. Next, enter your desired prompt to guide the AI in creating the image. And there you have it. In just a few seconds, your image will be generated. You can see the results are pretty impressive. I hope you enjoy using this tool and start creating your own AI images right away.